Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, the great fellow TVsians. Yeah, I'm back here again to appreciate God for the opportunity that has sent to us through TBC, the Billion Coin. My question to you is that, are you happy that you are part of the great opportunity community, the Billion Coin community? You see, to be part of TBC community, you are find favor before God in this generation. That's the truth. You are find favor before God in this generation you are living. Assuming that this kind of opportunity has been there in the times of our fathers, you know, we today won't be struggle of how to get things done easily today. But because this type of opportunity is not there in the time of our fathers, that is why today God have mercy on us and we could find the grace. And again, in every generation, there's always be an opportunity. In every age, there's always been an opportunity. But it depends on those that will grab the opportunity. Some will look at the opportunity and call it something nothing. Some will look at the opportunity and call it something rubbish. Why? Because of their mentality. I don't know what I can even say. Are you getting? That is how many neglect something that's supposed to have changed their life. They have neglected it. And that is why their generation continue in that sufferness. Okay, look at it now. In the time of our fathers, those through those opportunity and those that grab the opportunity then, if you go and look at their lineage now, you will see that it will be very different to to those that neglect the opportunity. Now, what am I trying to bring out there now? Now let's now come back to our own time right now. You know that as time goes on, people will still be talking of you that in my father's time. I guess the way you and I we are talking of our parents now. Also, your children will come on board and be rewind to your own time too. That in my father's time, if you neglect this opportunity today, your children will point to that is or that is, I had it. That there is opportunity that comes up in so time like this, that my father or my mother should have been part of that opportunity, but they neglect it. That is why their life remain like this. But to those who grab the opportunity now, that you value the opportunity now, when the time comes, your children will also appreciate and say, thank God for the time of my parents. They really secure my tomorrow for me. If not my parent now, are you getting it? So that is it. So the same way, now, like me now, I register my wife, I register my son. Are you getting me now? Even my son has 100 referrals. Can you imagine that? Has 100 referrals. And now, because I register for my son through the seminar I do to hold, I register people under him. And he have already claimed 10 TBC. Now, my young boy is now a young billionaire. Not even a millionaire, a young billionaire. See, let me tell you something. As a family, it is possible to register your children. Yeah, it is possible. Just make sure that you pay your $13 on them and keep it like that. You may not link it to fiat right now. Just keep them, let them be. At the time, the fiat is for the 10,000 tester for the starting. Then later it will become general. So by time it will become general. Maybe your son or those your children that they are still under age, maybe they are not up to 18 years and so on like that. Even do you know that it's not only 18 years above that can have bank accounts? If your children, your 5 years, 3 years, they can have an account. You get that? So register them, then create their future for them. Even you, the mother, you, the father, if you are not alive again, you have already secured the future of your children, of your home for them. Look at what is happening today in the whole world. That's because lack of caring. Look at some men. Some men are outside there. They know how to pregnant a lady, but they won't like to receive the baby from that lady. Why? Some of them look at their pocket, they saw that there's nothing there. Where are they going to get money to feed the woman and the child? That is why some run away. You will see some lady that will give birth like this, they go and throw the baby into the dustbin and so on. Are you getting what caused that? Poverty. Poverty have damaged a lot of career. Poverty have damaged a lot of dream. Are you getting? Many have a dream, but the poverty don't let their dream to come true. And that is why we thank God that this currency come on board to do what? To raise and to help you to bring your dream come to pass. Are you getting? Your dream that has been hanging. Even some have even forgot about their dream. They look at it as the dream can never come true again. But I promise you, your dream will come true again. If you can grab this opportunity, if you can make use of this opportunity, you will restore your dream back to you. Those have already thought maybe your dream have already gone, you can never make it in life. That is to them. You see, let me tell you another thing again. Anything you want to be in life, you want to come to in life, it lays in your hand. That is the fact, it lays in your hand. If you want to become rich in life, is there in your hand. If you want to become poor, is there in your hand. That is the way to be rich, that is the way to be poor. It not depends on which one you choose. Are you getting it now? Let me tell you something. TBC, the billion coin, I don't know what I can use to qualify the currency. I don't just know. Seriously, I don't know. It was just a fission currency. A currency that have a fission that I have seen the problem of the people, and it was prophesying to people's problem. I'm telling you, I don't even know what I can use to qualify the currency. TBC is so wonderful. It's not something that you can miss out of all investments. I don't say you should not invest in other currency you want to, but I'm telling you at this moment that TBC is the most important investment you can invest, that you will never regret it. All other ones can work out too. Yeah, quite all right. But to me, and so far with what I've saw in the TBC community and the benefits I've received so far, I'm telling you, TBC is real. TBC is wonderful. Are you getting me? TBC, I tell you, TBC don't make me to even care about what salary or whatever. I don't even care of all those things anymore. My focus, my expensive focus, my financial focus are based on TBC. And it has never disappointed me. Seriously. Okay, today someone came to me this afternoon. Just said that we want to buy a little. You can see that. You can see the money. You can see that. Just came to me this afternoon and dropped the money, 20,000, that they want to buy TBC. And then I said, well, I will calculate what that will be. Then I will send it to you. So it's in order when he came to me and he dropped the money and go. You see something like that? Because why? Day by day, anywhere I go to, I always tell people about the opportunity. That do you are aware of TBC, the billion coin? Some will say, what is that? I don't know what is it. Even when we are talking about of TBC, the billion coin, of going to 2 years old, many are there, they have not even know anything about Bitcoin. They don't know anything about Bitcoin. Talking of TBC. Are you seeing something? So it is you. I can say that TBC community, like me, that's not how I will promote TBC, that I will not mention Bitcoin. Because I used to ask them who know about Bitcoin. If I see those who know about Bitcoin, I will know how to start with them. Then to those that don't know anything about Bitcoin, I know how to go with them. I know that they have not even know anything about the cryptocurrency. So TBC is something that is to recover you. Are you getting? To recover you and to recover all your loss back to you. So TBC is real. TBCs work daily. Are you getting? Work daily. That is TBC. So it now depends on you. As you are expecting the fiat to come on board, quite all right. Are you getting me? What do you need to do? You need to go on board. Go on work. Tell people about it. We are going to 1 billion member. Don't forget, if you and I don't talk, if we don't share the testimony with people to come on board, how are they going to hear about it? They want to hear about TBC through you, through me. That is why I said it in my other YouTube video like that you and I, we are the voice of TBC. Not only Mr. Bitcoin Randy is the voice of TBC. We, you and I, the entire TBC community, we are the voice of the TBC. We are the one to spread the news of TBC all around. Not only by YouTube video. Many just based on YouTube. Immediately I do a YouTube video, I've shared the news. No, it's not everybody that got the phone to go to YouTube. It's not everybody that go on YouTube to see what is going on. But people you see on one-on-one, you talk to one-on-one. Are you getting? You take your phone, you show them how to go about it, you show them the opportunity, you show them everything. Are you getting? By doing that, it will be more good than saying that they will see it in the YouTube video. No, they need your one-on-one communication. To communicate with them on one-on-one. They will ask you questions. Can they ask any question from your YouTube video? No. But if you sit with them, you talk to them, they will ask you questions, you will answer them. And then that is how you are going to establish them. Then too, when they ask you questions, you will answer them privately, and then too we go outside there and talk to people about it. Are you getting? That is how we are going to grow the community to 1 billion verified member. Are you getting? I pray that God will help every one of us. TBC can work for you as you are ready to work for TBC. TBC is ready to bring back your testimony or your lost testimony. TBC is ready to bring it back to you. It is not left to you to take a move I don't even know what to say again. It is for you to get on board. It is for you to study how can you go about TBC. You must study how you can go about it. When you have understand how to go about TBC, I'm telling you, you have no problem again. TBC is so sweet. TBC is wonderful. If you are hearing that people are saying TBC is scam, that is not a strange thing. It's not a strange thing. Do you know that people are calling Bitcoin? Right now, they are calling Bitcoin a scam. Even they say Bitcoin is a big scam. You see that? When they can call Bitcoin a big scam, Bitcoin of going to 10 years now, they can call it a scam. And yet, TBC of 2 years old. What do you think? So, you see, faith to those who have the faith, and doubt to the unbeliever. If you have faith in TBC, work for it, and TBC will work for you back. If you don't have faith in it, no problem. Just take your leave and make sure that you don't say anything negative about TBC. Because any negative things you say concerning something that is real and solid, the penalty will come back to you. Either like it or not, it will come back to you. So be careful. If you want to go with TVC, jump in TVC. Be there, stable. Educate yourself, and then go out there and share the opportunity to your fellow people. By bringing them in, you are doing them a big favor. By the time in the near future, you will see them that they will know that yes, you have done them a great favor. Are you getting? God will help us. God will see us through. In this journey, TBC will make you smile. I'm telling you the fact. It has been doing that for me. And I believe it can also do the same thing for you. God bless you. God bless the TBC admin. God bless the entire team. God bless the entire TBC community. Till I see you again.